Hey lovelies, it's Esosa here. Today I'm going to show you how I made the rice and beans you are seeing right now. For this recipe, I used black eye beans, 1 cup of black eye beans, okay? I parboiled it for about 20 minutes, and then after 20 minutes, guys, rinse it thoroughly until the water becomes very clear. Next, I'll go ahead and transfer it into a pot of boiling water. I added 2 cups of long grain rice. You can use any rice of your choice. After parboiling for about 20 minutes, guys, I went ahead to sieve the rice, okay? I sieved the rice, rinsed thoroughly until the water becomes very clean and clear. Transfer the rice into a pot of boiling water. Added some salt. You can skip this part if you don't like salt in your rice. Salt is optional. I cooked for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, guys, my rice and beans is super soft right now and ready to eat. I enjoyed it with Nigerian stew. Tasted amazing, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please consider subscribing if you haven't done so already. Thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. Thank you. Bye.